Are you saddened by all the fear and conflict in the world? Are you confused by the many ideas of how to solve these problems? Are you ready to create change in your own life, but unclear how to do it? If you answered yes, you are not alone. Please join us on Saturday, March 2nd, 2024 for an inspiring free 90-minute workshop with Dawn Lester, Creating Change by the Power of Your Thoughts. Dawn will be sharing game-changing information to help you understand the true power of thought and how to use that understanding to change your life experiences and learn how you can move out of conflict and fear and into clarity and inner peace. Together with Dawn, we'll explore who we really are, how we influence our own experiences, how we understand our experiences, and what to do about them. We'll examine how we are indoctrinated into certain self-limiting beliefs and learn the tools and skills to liberate ourselves from those false beliefs. And finally, understanding the energetic power of words and language and being consciously aware of the language we use that can negatively or positively change our reality for worse or for better.
So the course you're saying is primarily aimed at the people that are starting to recognize something's going wrong, that they can't necessarily put a hand on what it is, but they're curious to find out what it is, and then to get some tools and skills to allow them to better deal with what's going on.
I think that's pretty much in a nutshell.
The online workshop is Saturday, March 2nd, 9 a.m. U.S. Pacific, 12 noon U.S. Eastern, 5 p.m. UK. The registration link is in the description and comments section below. Registration is free, so the only thing you have to lose is your unconscious habit of self-defeating sabotage. After the free workshop is finished, there is a value-for-value option to donate if you wish, whatever you think is a fair value for Dawn's time and information for the wisdom and tools to transform your life for the better. Did we miss anything, Dawn?
I think that's pretty much in a nutshell.